know of the kings in this rap thing.
I got a new mouth to feed. I'm due south with keys. Y'all pick seeds out your weed. I watch cowards bleed. Motherfucker, please. It's my block with my rocks. Fuck that hip hop, them 1-2s. And you don't stop. Me and my nigga Lance took Kim and C's advance. Bought 10 bricks, 4 pounds of weed plants for ransom. Now we lamping. 12-room mansion. Bitches get naked up, get money. Players anthem. Don't forget one more chance in my other hits, other shit. Niggas spit me counterfeit. Robbery come naturally, in and out like fucking rapidly. That's the gap to me. Make his chest rest where his back should be. Talking blasphemy, blasphemy, your family. Rest the coffins often. Frank Wizard, far from soft or fragile. Play hard like Reggie Miller. Rapper slash dope dealer slash gorilla slash illest turn iller.
Biggie, a motherfucking rap phenomenon.